First, I'm going to log into Gitlab, and I have an account here already, so I'm just gonna sign in. This is the main page. You can see current activity. You can browse to project. You can see your current projects, and I'm gonna create a new project. Let's call this project Innovation Demo. And you could import an existing project or just create a new one. And I'm going to give description Innovation Day Demo Test. And you can set the visibility. So I'm going to set it to internal, which means everyone who can log in to GitLab can also access this project. And create. Now the project is created, and you can see how I can clone it. So if I use SSH, I can clone it using this way, and I prefer HTTP, so I'll clone it using the HTTP method. And I'm just gonna open my console, and first I will clone the project to this folder. It asks me to sign in, and I now clone an empty repository. Next, I'm going to create an empty demo app using Express, and it's going to create me a skeleton. I can run my empty skeleton in the Node container. Oops, first I need to install the dependencies. And now I'll run my small sample application in Node.js, so it's going to spin me up a small web server, run it on localhost, and here I have my Express application running. So if I want to see what changed in my Git, so there is lots of untracked files. I want to add this project and make an initial commit with these files. So I'll add all of them. Go back one. And now it shows me that these would need to be added to Git. Next, I'm going to take my favorite Git tool, that's source tree. I can see my current, I have no committed changes in this repository yet. I've staged now all of the new files, so I'll make my initial commit. That's basically just a skeleton. I'll commit those files in. I will also push them to the server, so at the moment they're only on my local machine, but I want to push them to Gitlab as well. And it asks me for the password. I'm going to commit those. It will send all the files to Gitlab server and complete it successfully. Now, if I go back to the Gitlab page, to my project, the commits, so that's my initial commit that I just made. I can see what different branches I have. There's only the master branch. Gitlab has also this feature called merge requests, which is basically the same as GitHub pull requests, but just a different name, more descriptive name actually. So I'm going to show how that works. I'm going to edit some files. Okay, so I made my changes, and now instead of instead of adding these to the master branch, I want to make a new branch, a feature branch, where I'm going to add these files. So I'm going to say git checkout b feature add projects. It's going to create me a new branch, and I'm going to commit these changes to that branch instead. So I'm selecting what I want to commit, make a commit, added projects endpoint, and commit. And now it's a new branch separated from the master, and I want to push this branch to GitLab as well. So I select the branch and push. It's done. And now if I go to GitLab, go to my project page, it says you pushed feature, add projects to this project list that I need to go create a merge request. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I want to create a merge request and want to merge this feature branch into the master branch. The title is good as it is, and I describe it here. And I could assign it to someone if I would want to, but I'm just going to create a simple merge request. Anyone can review this after I'm done. Submit, and the merge request is created. And now the cool thing about this is that you can list all the merge requests that are open at the moment, what feature or what branches you want to merge. The other people can go in here, they can look at the changes. Okay, it has only one commit, that the changes that have happened in this pull request are here. So I'm going to do a code review, and I'm going to say, this actually gives a list of projects, not user listing. So I'm going to comment here, did you forget to change after copy paste? And I'll add that as a comment. And now the original person who did this pull request, he would get a notification. You can also follow the discussion here about all the different review comments that this pull request has got. And it's still, the status of this is still open. And you can see that there is comments on that pull request. So maybe I want to actually, now when there was a mistake in the comments, I want to go and edit and fix those comments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my code. I'm going to change that. Get projects listing. And I'm going to commit those changes. And I'm going to push those in. And now, when refreshing this pull request, you can see that Lauri added a comment after this, and the comment has actually now disappeared because it's changed. Where the comment was actually on the line that the comment was on has been changed, so the comment disappears. You can still see the old comments from here, but by default, GitLab hides them because it's an outdated diff. Okay, and now all seems good. No more comments from the code review, so I can accept this merge request. What it does is GitLab merges that branch into the master branch, and after that, we have an updated master. So branch was merged. I can also remove the source branch because it's actually not needed anymore. Now if I go to my own Git repository here, I can check out my master branch again, and if I pull the newest master, I can see that there was now update, the master branch, there was a add projects branch merged into the master branch, and I have now all the new code in my master. Let's see that it still runs. Cool, and the new project endpoint works. And that's how you do merge requests in GitLab.